Hey guys, I'm Amanda. This is Brad. Behind us here.
Hi.
AKA the Honey Bunny. And we are Clark West Trading Company on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Depop, pick a platform. That's where we are, but our channel is Sell Spend Travel because we hope that we will have many more videos about reselling, slot spinning at the casinos, and just our random travel, whether it's road trips or an actual destination or cruise.
Means and opportunity.
We always take advantage of the means and the opportunity. So no matter where we're able to go, if we have the means and opportunity to get there, then we try to go. So today we're doing a bulk unboxing. Here's the case here. This is how it arrived. So it arrived with some damage here, and this part of the tape was already loose. So I have no idea what it's going to look like. But it is a case of furniture and decor. It is uninspected returns. And total cost on the case with shipping and tax and everything was $77.25. They gave us a per piece price of $4.29. The MSRP of this case was $397. And I basically wanted to get a cheaper case or an under $100 case just to show whether or not you truly can make money off of the cheaper cases. So let's just get into it. So we'll get into it now. And I'll go over, I already did some comp prices also, so we'll go over that, and I'll tell you about what I think that we can make, assuming that everything in here is in a condition that is resellable. But since it is uninspected returns, it may not be. So we will find out. Oh. So, and just to give you a little history on us while I'm getting into this, we have been reselling since 2018. We started with a pallet, of all things, and went from there. We just took a leap. We found a really great pallet, and it got us hooked. And so we've been doing this ever since. I actually left my full-time job January 1st of 2020, and then COVID happened. So here we are. So I've had to learn how to source a lot differently, and just try to maximize every opportunity that we've had so that we could make money. Also, I want to point out I'm wearing some pink cat ears, and they are for special stranger friends of ours who had wonderful news today, and I just wanted to show some solidarity with them. So that's why I'm wearing cat ears during this video. So shout out to Katie and Vicky, and congratulations. All right, so here we go. We're going to get into it. 18 pieces in the case, and we'll go right from the top. So we've got some Christmas lights. It looks like right now everything in bulk has got some kind of Christmas something in it. So this is a 60 mini light box of Christmas lights. I would say they've definitely been taken out of the box. So I don't know if they work or not, but I'll test them and I'll let you know.
This guy will be testing them.
Probably. Honey Bunny will be testing them. And these, my comp price on these was about $10 if they work. And we'd list them on eBay, and all of the comps that I did are all based on net amount of money that I think we can make on eBay. So shipping, sales tax, selling fees, all of that stuff, I've deducted that out of the price, and that's the net profit that I'm telling you. So I think we'll make about $10 on those, assuming they work. All right, so then next we have curtain panels. We are no stranger to curtain panels. We sell quite a few in our day. These obviously definitely have been opened. The problem with this type of material, I don't know if you can see it really well there, but sometimes this kind of material, when it has these this stitching or embroidery on it, it'll get nicks and pulls in it, and there's really not a lot that you can do to fix it. But you just have to check them and see. So there's two of these, and I'll have to go back and look at my list. I think I said here on these that these would do about $24 total for this set is what we would net off of these, assuming they're in resellable condition. Okay, then we have, this was something that I saw in the box on the manifest when I was looking for a case to do for this. So this is a 4.5 foot Grinch, Dr. Seuss, inflatable for Christmas. So it looks like it's been opened. It's got tape there on the box, but we'll take it out of the box, blow it up, make sure it blows up and stays inflated like it's supposed to. And if it does, that'll go on eBay. And that, I can't remember what I think I said it was going to be. I think we'll make about $35 on that. Net. I'm going to keep saying net just because I want to make sure everybody understands. So, all right, let's do this next. So this is a mini spa room diffuser, essential oil fan diffuser. It has definitely been opened. Feels like it's moving around in the box in there. So we'll have to test it, make sure it works properly. Nothing's broken. All the parts are there. Looks pretty good though because the oil is still sealed. So hopefully it's all there and somebody just took it out of the box and didn't like it.
So I have a question.
Sure.
Any of this stuff that you're going through right now, I know that we sell on those platforms, but we also sell on Amazon. Would that be something that we could send into Amazon, or anything that we get from bulk can we send into Amazon also?
Some things from bulk we can send to Amazon. I would not send any of this stuff to Amazon just because it's all uninspected returns and not in new condition or new enough condition. That should never be a thing that you consider, but it's not in the proper condition to go to Amazon, so I would not send any of this there. So, all right, so this is another box of Christmas lights, 100 mini lights. I think I said 10 bucks on these two. $8. $8, assuming they work, is what I think our net profit will be on that. This is a hand towel. So with hand towels, we get them from all kinds of cases, whether we get bulk cases or stuff from other places. We always end up with towels. A towel like this is not worth a lot by itself, but what I do is I will keep all the towels together, and then when I have what I think is a suitable lot, so usually 8 to 10 pieces between hand towels, bath towels, washcloths, I'll put them all together in a lot on the yard sale page. They don't have to all match. They don't have to be in perfect condition. They just need to look like, or need to be unused. So a lot of times what I do is I'll have them and they'll be new without tags, or they'll be new with tags, but they'll look like they've been dropped on the floor and they have a dusty spot, something like that on them. And so instead of me trying to wash them and get them ready and try to sell them online, I just leave them with the dusty spots, take pictures of that, notate it, and put it all in the listing. And usually I sell lots of towels for anywhere between $10 to $15 on the local page, just depending on how many towels, washcloths, that kind of thing are in the lot. So, all right. So the next we have, all right, so this is I'm sorry, we had a little issue with the camera. So this is a pillow fort curtain panel here. It's probably looks like maybe it was sold online just because of the poly bag that it's in. Looks like the tag was still attached. So I'll just take this out and unfold it, make sure it doesn't have any damage. Assuming that it doesn't, it'll go on eBay by itself. We've sold a ton of curtain panels, so don't be scared if you just get a single curtain panel. I was at first, and then I realized that sometimes people are just looking for one curtain panel, and you can still make money off of those. So don't discount single curtain panels. So this I think we'll make about $9 to $10 off of on eBay net. All right, and then here, these are multiples. So we've got 3 valances here. Just because of this kind of label, I'm guessing that these were probably an online for Target and just returned for whatever reason. So this material kind of does pick easily, so I will check it too and just make sure there's no picks or anything in any of these. The great part about these is they're all exactly the same, so I can make one listing, do a multiple count, just notate that they're new open package is what I would do these as, assuming they don't appear to be used or have any dirt on them. And so these will make about $6 a piece on eBay. And then, so the next, this is an Opal house curtain panel. I've gotten some similar to this before, but never this one exactly with these little tassels on the bottom. So I'll just go through when I'm getting ready to list, make sure all the tassels are in good shape, nothing's pulled off, nothing has a fray or, you know, a pick or a pull anywhere in the curtain panel. New open package is what this would be, because you can see it has definitely been opened and has tape around it. So this one, I think I said $10. So about $10 net on that one. And then shower curtain. So there's a couple of shower curtains in here, I think. Shower curtains we do well with. It's really easy to find a stock photo if you need one. I don't recommend always using a stock photo, but with curtains and shower curtains, it makes life so much easier because you can actually show somebody what it looks like when it's hanging versus you trying to figure out how to display a whole curtain panel or a whole shower curtain in your picture, especially if you have limited space like we do. So anyway, so this shower curtain here, I think about $10 usually is what I expect to make off of these. And let's see here. And is this another shower curtain, I think? Yep, so this is another shower curtain. Same thing with this. I'll just check it, make sure that it doesn't have any stains or holes or anything in it. Obviously, it's been opened and taped back into the package. So we just have to make sure it's all good, and assuming it is, I'll list it as new open package and about $10 net profit on that. And then this is another shower curtain. I've never seen them with the rings already on there. So, and this says sheer curtain. So this is actually a curtain panel and not a shower curtain like I thought it was. So, but I'll just check it. Also, make sure that it's all in good shape, that there's no damage to it anywhere. List it as new open package. I'll make it look better than what it is now and kind of get it back into the package so it's more presentable. So this one is probably about $10. $8 for this one. So, and then this is a Hearth and Hand by Magnolia linen duvet cover. I think it's a full queen. It's 55% linen, 45% cotton. That's a big deal when it comes to duvet covers, just because people really like the linen. It feels good. It's a little bit lighter weight. So this has obviously definitely been opened. I found that a lot of people, I think, in the store, they like to take them out and touch them and feel them and try to decide if they like it or not. And then they just shove it back in the package and then it gets pulled. But either way, so I will actually take this out of the package, make sure there's no damage to it. Assuming that it's not, I'll list it on eBay. And hopefully I'll make about $38 off of this. Net. So, and then there's only two things left. So one is this pack of Room Essential hair wraps. I did not cost this out because I don't know that I would be selling it by itself. And I believe it's supposed to be a pack of 2, and I'm not sure that there's 2 in there. But either way, worst case scenario, this will go in a yard sale bin, or I will lot it up with some other health and beauty type items and put it on the local Facebook marketplace. And then last but not least, this will go in the trash, this sad, sad bow. Obviously left over from Christmas. A Wonder Shop Giant Bow Pewter is what this is called. The MSRP on this bow, which I thought was hysterical, according to BULQ, is $19.98. So, not sure why this bow
How much
cost.
is that right there at the very top corner?
$3. It says $3 right there on this, but the MSRP on BULQ says $19.98. So,
not calling BULQ out by any stretch of
no,
imagination.
no, absolutely not. So we've bought a ton of stuff from BULQ before. We've had some really fantastic experiences. We've had some experiences. I've had one bad experience, if you want to call it that. All in all, I'm not unhappy with BULQ. I still order from BULQ. But the main reason that I did this, and I don't know if you can see it on there or not, but so basically I just pulled the manifest that BULQ had and hid the columns I didn't need right now, kept what they said their original retail price was, and then I put the comp value that I looked up. So assuming that all of the things that I told you dollar amounts for, assuming that all of those are resellable and they actually sell, which is very important, I think that we'll make approximately $193 off of this case. There's always wiggle room. Honestly, you probably want to go 20% less than that because we do run sales in our store. People do like to submit offers. We do put best offer on a lot of items. So, I mean, $170 probably total net. So that's more than twice what we paid for the box. So I'm okay with that. It's only 18 items. Obviously, we're throwing the bow out. I'm not listing the hair wrap or the towel. So that really leaves it at 15 items, which is something that I can get done fairly quickly. Get them up on the page and it's done. And assuming it all sells, you know, $150 to $170. Maybe $190 if we're lucky. So anyway, so there you go. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, anything like that, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Hopefully we'll see you again soon. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.